In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to calculate a day of the week given a year, day, and month in Python. Now, this is a pretty easy process in Python, but if you wanted to do it by yourself, you could technically scroll all the way through Windows and go all the way back in a calendar, or you can do it like this. So it's pretty easy. Let's kick it off. What you'll do is use the built-in date-time library. Makes life super easy. What I've done here is just wrote a function called getDay. Takes in a date time object, uh, which is pretty easy to do. You just do datetime.datetime, and you can put in here different parameters. And here what I've done is just provide a year, a month, and a day. This is April 11th, 2022, the day we started this channel. And we'll call the function with our datetime object. And from here, we just have to do a print strftime, and you put in %A in quotes, and that's all you have to do. Let's see what day of the week I ran the channel. Monday is when I started this channel. But there's a whole lot more you can do with this than just getting day of the week. Datetime is a very powerful library. If you have the timestamp as well with it, you can also get minutes, seconds, microseconds, time, there's all kinds of stuff you can do. You could even do time zone if you wanted to, UTC offset. You could get this thing, you could get all this information in the ISO 8601 format. Basically, there's an endless amount you can do with it. I will go ahead and put a link in the description to some docs that show the different pieces you can do, and all you have to do to change that is you put it in here for the printing. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's all we have for you today. Please remember to like and subscribe for more.